Hello everyone, this is Max from Actilator. Now I'm in CDG airport in France, and today is 9th October, and the time is 9 o'clock a.m. Yeah, thank you everyone, every valued customer to support Actilator. And the next day I will stay here to start my business trip for all the customers. Okay, hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Hello everyone, this is Max from Actilator. I'm now in Epinal, city Epinal, France. Today is the 10th October, and it's 5 p.m. I will stay here for a few days to visit some customers here. Yeah, thank you again for your trust on Actilator. Okay, have a good day. Bye. Hello everyone, Max from Actilator again. Now I'm in Beauvais, another city in France. I just finished. Today is 11th October, and the local time is 9 o'clock p.m. So I just finished my visit in the city. I visited many customers here. Then I'm going to another place tomorrow. Okay, thank you, bye.